Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on today and show you guys two embellishment boxes that I received in a swap. I had made two Sunny Days Maggie Holmes embellishment boxes and sent them off, and these are the two I got in return. This was for a swap in a Facebook group called Coffee, Cake, and Crafting. Go check it out. It's run by Tiffany and very, very talented members in there. So let me just pull these out. All right, that is the front of each one. Very shabby chic, very pretty. So this is personalized with my name. It says, "Let's go everywhere." And this is from Carol Paul's. I'm not sure if she has social media, but I will take a look and I'll link it down below if she does. But these embellishment boxes were made in kind of a book form. That's what held it together. So she has it put together with a belly band. It's a really pretty belly band with lace around it. And then she's got this tiny rosette there. And then she's got these like wired, like a daisy put together. That is so cute. So just pearls in the shape of a flower. And she's got that hot glued on the top of the rosette with lace and some tulle and then crepe paper. So super cute, super layered. So this embellishment box that we had to make is a it is a pattern that Brittany, who hosted the challenge, created, and I'll link that down below as well. But it opens up in a book style. She's got a little pocket here, and then this is a drawer that pulls out, and then the drawer holds the embellishment box. Okay, so the drawer pulls out. Like I said, I didn't do the drawer because I wanted the tassel on mine, so my tassel hung out. But this is how it pulls out. She has got this decorated so cute. So she painted it and then distressed it, but then she's got like either a Cricut cut file or some kind of an SGV cut file on here with vinyl, this really pretty floral pattern, and then my name here in the middle. And then when you open it up, oh my goodness, she has got this packed full. Oh, it looks so fun. Okay, so the first little pocket right here is full of, oh my gosh, so many charms and beads here. Let me see if I can get them all out. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so she has got a heart charm, a flower charm. It's really interesting wire wrapped bead. That is so pretty. Like a silver spacer there, a large spacer, this really pretty glass bead. She's got a butterfly charm, almost like a clover key charm, a little black diamond charm, a little pearl dangle there, another black matte bead, a pink circle bead. So just all different kinds there. That's super pretty. And then in here, she's got adhesive dots, which always come in handy. That's really clever to put those in there. And then she's also got some pink flat backs and some buttons. And those are in like a light pink, a dark pink, and a blue. Super pretty. Here she's got some paper flowers. Oh my goodness, there's stuff underneath there. So she's got white, pink, and teal. Okay, and then she's also got these embellished flowers. So I think these are like maybe Dollar Tree flowers that were white. I could be wrong, but then she has them like inked and distressed around the edges with a little pearl in the middle. In this little tray, oh my goodness, another one that's packed full. This has got all kinds of jemmies and some flat back hearts that are pearls. Oops, one came off on my finger. Those are neat. I've never seen those before. She's got some really pretty gold, or I'm sorry, silver roses there. She's got some flat back flowers, some pink jemmies, and a really pretty larger yellow one. That's cute. Okay, let me put those back in there. Oh, and here she created some more of those flowers. Look how cute those are. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. The time it took to wrap all those, that's really neat. Thank you for sharing those. That is so cute. Here she's got some more trim. So there's a blue trim. Oops. Pearl and silver. More blue here. I'll put those back later. Here she's got some ribbon. I think this is from the Dollar Tree. It's the cream and the aqua. Oh, and then a pretty lace, and then this kind of crocheted lace. Super pretty colors. Thank you for those. Oh, and this one she's got some more distressed elements. She's got the distressed butterfly here. She's got this really pretty burlap butterfly. That's a sticker. Got some flowers in navy, black, gray. This really cute peach colored flower, and then some burlap flowers as well. And then moving down to the last row, there's a super cute sequin mix. It's got seed beads, tiny little star sequins. It's like a light green, a lime green, and aqua silver. Very pretty. Oh my goodness. And then this one, she's got some homemade bows. Those are really pretty. That's a cute die. I like that. I like how small they are. She's got several of these little silver ribbon roses. And some more flowers. Oh, she's got a bunch of brads in here. I can show you those. So she's got different brads. She's got some more flat backs in there. Look at how tiny some of those are. Those are so pretty. That kind of copper color. There's some white square ones. So pretty. Oh, and then these are really neat. Look at the iridescent in that. So neat. And then in this one, she's just got a little tube mix. So that looks cute in a shaker. You can add that with sequins. And I love those spring colors. So that is the first embellishment box. And I will put this all back together afterward. But let me get the second one out. So this came with a little sticker sheet as well as a little gift. This is butterflies and flowers, kind of vintage looking. It's really pretty. Very pretty. All right, and then this is what the front of hers looks like. She's got some flowers that she put, it looks like glitter on there. She's got a little resin bird, and then she's got some pins. Those are neat. Look out, they're like stick pins. Very pretty. Then she put Velcro on hers, so you open it up. She also has a pocket here. She stuffed it with all kinds of page flags and tags that match the collection. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a ton in here. Let's see if I can get them all out for you. Hi. So you have all of these different really pretty greens and peaches and pinks. Definitely put those to use. Very pretty. Thank you for those. And then she's got her floral paper decorated here. And she's got this drawer pull that she decorated also. She's got two little brads right there. Pull hers out. Oh, pink goodness. Here's what her drawer looks like. All coordinated paper. So pretty. Okay. Move this one out of the way. Oh, so this embellishment. Oh my goodness. Look at all these white resin deer here. Oh, those are so cute. That will be cute at Christmas time as little three-dimensional pieces for layering. And these tiny little rabbits. Look at that. Those will be cute for Easter. I'll have to see what I can do with those. So thank you for those. And here she's got some, oh, they feel really thick. They're not paper. These are really nice flowers. So two, they're all glittered up and sparkly. And then she's got two really pretty lace pieces here that are also floral. Very pretty. This one she has stuffed full of these tiny little flowers in pinks and aquas. Let's see, she's got a light pink, dark pink. Very pretty. This one, oh my goodness, look at all of these little wood veneer pieces. All of these tiny little wood veneer hearts. This will be super cute for Valentine's Day. And then on top of that, she had a circle one that was, has holes in it. This would be really cute to do like an embroidery or cross stitch heart on there on the wood veneer. I think that's what I'll do with that one. Oh my goodness, and here she's got a ton of little resin pieces as well. These are flowers, owls. Oh, and the prettiest colors. Pinks and purples and creams. Some tiny little roses. Those are pretty. She's got some ribbon that she shared here. This is like an elastic stretchy ribbon. And this is in a rose and a gold color. Here she's got a striped grosgrain ribbon. These are super cute. I think these flowers go in here. I got an escaped bunny. Here she gifted some, oh, this is like aluminum, or it's true foil. Look how pretty that is. I'll make a really pretty border. So a whole roll of that. I wonder if she punched that out, because here's some flowers in that exact same metal. Yeah, it's almost like if you bend it, it'll stay. Oh, that's really cool. I wonder what that is. Very neat there. And then also she's got some more wood veneer pieces in here and some more acrylic pieces. She's got this printed rose, these tiny, look at how tiny those are. These tiny little frames, and then these super cute acrylic cameras. Very cute. See, drilling a little hole in there, or using this hole for a charm. Put a little jump ring through there. Okay, moving down to this one. All kinds of little goodies in here as well. She's got some flat back pearls. And pinks and white. Very shiny. Those are super pretty. She's got these really neat, like felt or flocked brads, actually, with a little pink rhinestone in the middle. She's got these fabric covered brads here that are floral. And then she's got some arrow brads here as well. And this one, she has got, oh, cute little bulldog clips. Look at these colors, such pretty colors. 2 pinks, a blue, a green, a silver with an ampersand on it, and then just a lime green bulldog clip there. And in this pocket, this is really neat. She's got a bunch of those decorative stick pins here. So I'm even just thinking right now, I love how she put them on the front, how she layered them in that rosette, but I would love to use at least one of these in my glue bottles. So I know for sure, like my glossy accents, I have a pin in it right now. Oops, I just dropped one. Those are really interesting. So there's pinks and yellows. I haven't seen anything like that before. So stars, butterflies. Wish there was a better way to show you, but I'm dropping them all over the place here. Yeah, I mean, look how cute that is. So very pretty, very shabby chic. I love it. And then lastly, she's got this little pink polka dotted grosgrain ribbon that's included in there. And she doesn't, I don't think she has her name on here, so I don't have it to tell you right now, but I will link it below. I believe when Brittany was doing the reveal that she said neither of these girls had YouTube, but I'm going to see if I can find them on Instagram at least and link those down below as well. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.